An entirely new generation of the 7 Series, long BMW's flagship sedan and the brand's most luxurious and advanced product, has debuted for the 2023 model year. The formula doesn't change much from the current cars. Powertrains include a turbocharged inline-6 and a twin-turbo V8, with a plug-in hybrid joining the lineup later. On our initial test drive, we found that the 7 Series veritably floats down the road. Its handling is a little lighter than the 2022 cars thanks to some changes to the chassis and suspension, including a new rear-wheel steering system. Its driver assistance tech provides a hands-free driving mode for highway slogs, but the car's show-stopping feature is an optional 31.3-inch rear entertainment display called Theater Screen that drops from the ceiling and streams TV and movies using the onboard Wi-Fi system. The 7 Series has been combed the 740i will run BMW's sweetly silken inline-6 and is offered only with rear-wheel drive. We expect most buyers will find this version more than suitable, but for those wanting all-wheel drive or extra horsepower, there's the 760i X-Drive, which comes with a twin-turbo V8. If you plan to be chauffeured in your new 7 Series, we'd recommend both the Executive Lounge Package, power-adjustable reclining rear seats with massage, among other luxuries, and the cool 31.3-inch Theater Screen rear seat entertainment system which can stream content via the car's onboard Wi-Fi hotspot. An all-electric variant called i7 will be based on the same body shell. We review that model separately. Completely redesigned for the 2023 model year and offers an even plusher cabin, more futuristic technology, and bolder exterior styling. As the pinnacle of the BMW lineup, the 7 Series brings a cornucopia of luxuries to its occupants. Rich-smelling leathers, stainless steel accents, and fancy glass and wood trim elements give the 7 Series' interior a posh vibe. Buyers can even choose a new cashmere upholstery option, should it suit their personal aesthetic. The deluxe interior now has the technology, style, and opulence to better challenge the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Passenger space is generous in both the front and rear, but the 7 Series impresses most when equipped with the Executive Lounge Package, which adds power-adjustable reclining rear seats with massage, a wireless smartphone charging pad for the rear seat area, and adjustable neck cushions on the headrests. The trunk is about as large as you'd expect for a full-size luxury car, and a rear seat pass-through offers the ability to haul longer items like skis. Fuel economy estimates for the 740i are 25 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway, but going with the V8-powered and all-wheel drive 760i X-Drive drops those numbers to 18 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway. When we get a chance to test the 7 Series for ourselves, we'll take it on our 75-mile-per-hour highway fuel economy test route and report its results here. For more information about the 7 Series' fuel economy, visit the EPA's website.